Hello, my friends. It's a beautiful, beautiful Monday. Thank you for your homeworks. You are amazing. Continue working. This is the perfect time. The coronavirus pandemic, is the perfect time for continuing practicing. I think it's a good opportunity for you to watch a lot of videos, listen to a lot of music, send messages to your friends that can speak English, and send me a message, record WhatsApp audios. So please, you have a lot of time, so take advantage of that time that you have to practice English. This is today's video. Probably tomorrow we have the last video because we are going to start using a Macmillan platform, but I will send you the details by WhatsApp. So this is the homework for today. Thank you very much, and let's start. Hey students, we are finishing up the review of all the units of the first level. This is the last homework of this section. It is not going to be complicated, it's going to be easy. So don't worry, let me show you. This is the last homework. Well, the last two homeworks, my friends. So let me show you. We are on the page 72. Okay, this is the homework. All the page. Well, not all the page because we finished unit 4. So we need to finish the unit 5. The unit 5 is simple present statements. Do you remember? The correct subject in parentheses. This is verb do. For example, this one. We finish at 6. But what about with she? What is the problem with she? Let's check. For example, she finishes at 6. She finishes at 6. What is the problem? When it's third person, remember that we need to put the S. In this part is ES. Why? Because the verb finishes with SH. So it is not going to be very complicated, but remember that in third person we need to put an S. It's very important that we need to put an S in third person, my friends. Okay? It's very important that you put an S in third person. Now you change the affirmative to negative. My job starts at 9. So what is the negative? My job doesn't start at 9, for example. Okay, so be careful with this. This is the simple present with verb do, remember. So this is the page, the page 73. You know, it is going to be page 73, and it's also going to be the page 74. This is the homework for tomorrow, my friends. Well, you continue with do or does, you continue this, and then you continue with the unit 6. So remember, it's going to be page 73 and 74, okay? And do you remember the verb be? This is the same, but with verb do we use what, where, when, why, or what time. And then, why do you have breakfast at 5:30? Obviously, probably it's letter D, because blah 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 blah. And write the questions. For example, I have lunch at 12:30. What time do you have lunch? She lives in Yokohama. What will be the correct question? Okay, let me imagine, for example, probably it's where does she live? That is the correct question for that answer. So you do it, then you continue with this, the adverbs of frequency, and that's it, my friends. You finished. So it's everything. So you finish the page 73 and 74. If you have questions, send me a message, and bye bye.